Up first on my instructional tutorial video is the online resource Rivet. This is basically an online library collection of books that can be organized by reading level, language, or topic. And students can even have a read aloud experience with these free books. So it's easily accessible. It's really great for a hybrid model or fully virtual learning classroom. And I tied this to my fifth grade standards that students in fifth grade should be able to read with sufficient accuracy and fluency. So here is an example of a book within the Rivet system. This program also times students to tell them how many minutes per day that they have read, and it can read aloud the text to them by clicking on this cat icon here. So in a very soothing voice, it will read to students. It keeps a collection of what books they've read before so that they can go back and read them again. And at any point, they can adjust the reading level. So this can be done in families. If we have students at different reading levels or grade levels, they can choose from both fiction and informational text. As we flip through these books too, students can click through, see if it looks like something that they'd be interested in trying, and then go back to the home screen. At this time, I have not created an account for this website, and all of this is still fully accessible to me. So whatever topic I decide to select or whatever reading level is most appropriate for each individual student, I can go in and assign them certain books to read and then create assignments based on those books. And there's multiple books for them to choose from. So I'm very excited by the possibilities of this app, and I'm hoping it will allow my students the opportunity to continue reading independently through the summer or in through any sort of virtual schooling experience that we may have.